Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you get an egg and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get into it guys. So an egg is an exclusive item in Grow a Garden 2. We cannot buy it from the shop. If you want to buy the egg guys, you need to join this guild event. You can go to this guild stand and you can either create a guild or join a guild. If you want to create a guild, you can click on create guild like this. But if you want to join, you need to be invited by the other players who create a guild. Okay, and you can enter the guild name right here. I'm just going to enter random name and guild tag like this. And the description. I'm just going to type in let's grow. Okay, and you can click on create, but it's not free guys. You need Robux to create a guild. You need 99 Robux. Okay, and once you create a guild, you can invite other players, and then let me view the reward. Okay, you need to earn points guys, and one of the rewards are common egg, and yeah, just common egg, but you will get view of common eggs from the reward. Okay, and it will be claimed weekly if I'm not mistaken, and you can see the leaderboard here. This is the top guilds. So yeah, to get the egg you need to join this event guys. And okay guys, that's how you can get an egg and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.